Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create tabs in Google Sheets and how to manage it. So here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a spreadsheet as well. And I have created some tabs on this spreadsheet. And if you want to create new tab, we just need to click on this plus button. Then the new tab will be created on our spreadsheet. And if you want to rename the tab, you just need to click on the tab like this. Then you can click on rename and you can rename it as you want. And for example, I'm going to rename it new tab. Then click on OK. And if you want to manage your tab, you just need to click on the tab that you want to manage. And for example, I'm going to manage this tab. Okay, and just tap on the tab again like this. And these are the options for you. You can delete the tab, you can duplicate, you can also hide the tab and change the color. If you want to change the tab color, you just need to tap on the option, then click on or select the color that you want to use. And for example, I'm just going to use yellow color. Okay, and now the tab color has been changed. And you can also move the tab. You can move left or move right. So for example, I'm going to move this tab to the left. So just click on the tab. Then you can click on move left like this. Okay. And if you want to see the list of your tabs in spreadsheet, you just need to click on this button. And this is all of our tabs that we have. Alright guys, and that's how we can create and manage a tab in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.